Okay, so these are the gauges that we're looking at while we're sailing, and I'll explain to them what they are. This one here is the depth finder. Doesn't apply too much. We're in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, so it's about 3,000 feet deep. So once we get out to sea, this one only goes to about 90 feet, and then it shuts off until we come into closer to land where we are less than 90 feet. Then it'll start to show. Then over here we have our the bow of our boat, the starboard side and the port side here. Wind direction right now is out of the west, 4-6, okay, and then that's 22.8 knots of wind coming from the backside of the boat here. Optimal angle is about 120 coming across into our sails that are on this side of the boat right now, and the speed that we're going at right currently is 5.7, 6.1 knots, which is the speed over ground here. So that's the main gauges that we're looking at as we sail. And then over here we have our Ray Marine. So the Ray Marine gauges are going to give us, our bearing to our waypoint here. 73 degrees is the bearing to the waypoint. Distance to the waypoint 917 miles till we get to our waypoint. We're about halfway across the Atlantic Ocean right now. Speed over ground, same as the gauges over there, which is 5.8, 6 knots right now. And then we have our GPS, or our bearing, 35 degrees north, 47 degrees west. And then our ship is here with our direction of travel, our direction to our waypoint, so we can see how we can get to our waypoint. And then these rings are giving us nautical miles in about 10 nautical mile distance. So we have a boat that's behind us about 15 nautical miles right here to our starboard side, off the port side of our back of our boat. And these are the main two gauges that we're using to navigate our way to our destination, and to see the winds and the wind direction to help us sail and get the wind into our sails. And back here we have the helm. So we have a series of lights here that go on, and then really just the engine stuff on this side. You can see that the helm, most of the time when we're at sea, we have it on auto. So auto, we set our degree of angle that we're sailing at, and then we go to auto, and that way it just constantly slightly steers in the direction that we want to go. We can reset our course, which we do often, right here in increments of 1 plus or 1 minus, or 10 plus or 10 minus if we want to make a bigger turn, so to say, if the wind directions change as we're going. We have our compass here in the middle, and then our knots of wind on the other side there. So this is the helm station, but while you're at sea, you rarely stand right at the helm and actually steer the boat. Mostly you have it on auto. So like something like this, helm station here, all the gauges that we need. Like I said, you kind of put it on auto until you're closer, then you put it on standby and actually steer the boat. We have our gauges up there above where we go down into the bottom of the boat, and off to the right our Ray Marine radar system. And you can see that we're just on the end of the night watch. It's just starting to get light out, and it's been a really good sailing night.